All right, so you don't want your iPhone's screen to turn off, and we can definitely do that, but there's also a couple of important things to be aware of. Let's take a look. Overall, this is pretty simple. You can go to your settings, scroll down to Display and Brightness, and from there you'll find the Auto Lock setting and change that to your preferred duration. If you don't want your screen to turn off at all, you can simply set it to Never. Some iPhone models have an always-on display, and that's actually different from this setting here. I'll talk more about that in a minute. Now, some of you might be looking at the settings and your phone is locked to 30-second auto lock with no way to change it. That happens if you have low power mode enabled on your phone. It'll force the auto lock to 30 seconds and doesn't let you change it. Turn off low power mode and you can then switch the auto lock setting to anything you want. Because keeping your display always on can put quite a huge drain on your battery, there's another option to consider. If you go to Settings and then navigate to Face ID and Passcode, here towards the bottom, you'll see an option called Attention-Aware Features. Kind of a fancy name, but what this toggle really does is allow your iPhone to use the front sensors to see if you're looking at the screen. As long as your eyes are on the phone, the screen will stay bright, even if your auto lock is set to 30 seconds or something short like that. So this can be a much better option for battery life than setting your auto lock to Never. And lastly, some iPhones have an actual always-on display. If your phone has this feature, you'll find it under Display and Brightness. And from there, you'll see an option for Always On Display. Always On Display keeps a dimmed version of your lock screen visible even when the phone is locked, so you can quickly see things like the time, widgets, and notifications without waking the screen. It works by lowering the screen brightness and refresh rate while using the iPhone's display technology to maintain the image with very little power. When you pick up the phone or tap the screen, it instantly returns to full brightness and normal operation. That's basically it. Click the like button down there if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.